Iraq's economic transformation, a new era for the dinar. Hello, and welcome back to IQD to VND. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We're aiming to reach 300 subscribers by the end of March. Hope you all are doing well. Now, let's dive into today's topic, Iraq's economic transformation, a new dawn for the Iraqi dinar. Trump's interest in Iraq's economy, a potential game changer. Former U.S. President Donald Trump has reportedly entered discussions concerning Iraq's economic landscape, sparking fresh optimism among Iraqi dinar investors. The dinar has long suffered from devaluation due to corruption and political instability, but international financial experts and the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, believe that economic reforms are inevitable. Implementing structural economic changes requires political willpower, and recent developments indicate that Iraq may finally be moving in the right direction. Political stability and economic reforms. Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani recently highlighted the need for budget amendments, signaling a shift towards a more stable political and economic environment. Iraq's parliament has taken a significant step by approving key financial amendments, reinforcing the government's commitment to reform. A decisive vote in the Iraqi House of Representatives saw 176 members in attendance, forming a strong quorum and solidifying the legitimacy of recent financial decisions. According to financial analyst Militiaman, this legislative move is a pivotal milestone in Iraq's reintegration into global financial markets. The path toward economic transformation is becoming clearer, and whether you are an investor, entrepreneur, or a keen observer, it's impossible to ignore the positive signals coming from Iraq's economy. A surge in business interest. Iraq is witnessing an unprecedented surge in foreign investment. A recent business summit in Baghdad attracted over 300 seasoned investors, eager to explore Iraq's potential. However, this was just the beginning. An even larger investment conference is set to take place tomorrow, with over 1,000 companies participating to assess Iraq's economic opportunities. This heightened business activity indicates that government-led initiatives in banking, taxation, and infrastructure are working to attract foreign investors. With its strategic location and vast oil reserves, Iraq is positioning itself as a key economic player in both regional and global trade. Growing speculation around the Iraqi dinar. The Iraqi dinar remains a hot topic in financial circles. In recent weeks, unusual movements in currency markets have fueled speculation about a possible revaluation. RV. Wealth managers, financial analysts, and currency redemption centers are monitoring the situation closely. A revaluation of the dinar could strengthen Iraq's financial position, reduce inflation, encourage foreign investment. However, any currency adjustment must be handled carefully to prevent economic instability. Meanwhile, Iraq's national budget will be up for review this Sunday, a decision that could significantly influence the nation's financial trajectory. Oil industry and economic growth. Iraq's oil sector remains the backbone of its economy. Any budgetary shifts will impact infrastructure, technology, and foreign investment as the country aims to sustain economic expansion. If strategic reforms continue, Iraq could soon witness an economic resurgence, benefiting both domestic and international stakeholders. Rising optimism across Iraq. A wave of optimism is sweeping through Iraq. People are celebrating, news channels are reporting positive economic developments, and there is an undeniable sense of hope in the air. This enthusiasm is fueled by several key factors. 1. Major trade agreements. Iraq has signed key trade deals with neighboring countries, boosting exports and creating new job opportunities. 2. Economic stability. The country is moving past its turbulent past, positioning itself as a regional economic force. 3. Public confidence. Iraqis are witnessing tangible improvements in their daily lives, reinforcing belief in a brighter future. Is this the long-awaited turning point that investors have been anticipating? While skepticism is natural, this time the momentum appears different. With political stability, economic reform, and increased foreign investment, Iraq's financial transformation is looking more promising than ever. Iraq's expanding global partnerships. One of the biggest driving forces behind Iraq's economic resurgence is its expanding international partnerships. In the past year, Iraq has secured agreements with major global players: United States, economic cooperation, investment in key industries China, strategic infrastructure projects, roads, energy, and technology, European Union, investment in trade, security, and industry development. One particularly notable deal involves a Chinese consortium planning to develop Iraq's renewable energy sector, focusing on solar and wind power projects. This initiative is expected to diversify Iraq's energy resources, create thousands of jobs, and enhance economic stability. How economic growth affects everyday Iraqis. While large-scale economic reforms are crucial, the real impact is measured by how they improve the lives of ordinary Iraqis. Encouraging signs of progress include healthcare improvements, new hospitals and expanded medical services, education reforms, increased access to schools and resources, basic services, enhanced electricity, clean water, and transportation. These developments, although gradual, are critical for Iraq's long-term stability and prosperity. A new dawn for Iraq. Iraq is at a historic turning point. After years of economic uncertainty, the country seems to be on a path to financial renewal. The winds of change are strong, carrying with them hope, investment, and opportunity. Whether you are an investor, business leader, or someone who believes in Iraq's potential, this is a moment worth watching. While the future remains uncertain, one thing is clear: Iraq is moving towards a brighter tomorrow. Currency market movements. Meanwhile, the Iraqi dinar exchange rate against the US dollar has experienced slight fluctuations. According to recent market data, Baghdad's exchange market recorded a selling rate of 1,495 Iraqi dinars per US dollar. The buying rate remained slightly lower. Erbil's exchange rate stayed stable with minor adjustments. These fluctuations reflect ongoing economic adjustments, closely watched by financial experts. With so many changes happening, the next few weeks will be critical for Iraq's financial future. Will the Iraqi dinar finally experience the long-awaited revaluation? Only time will tell, but all signs suggest that Iraq is entering a new era of economic transformation. Stay tuned for more updates on Dinar Exchange Chronicles. Keep watching, stay informed, and never stop believing in Iraq's economic potential.